Here's some, Hope, right behind you. See if they want some?
Ducklings down there in the water.
Are there?
Yeah.
Wow. There's some baby ducks, Hope, if you want to go see them. Be really careful, though. Do you see them over there in the water? Look out there, Hope. Do you see them in the water? Look out here. See the babies? Don't scare them. Drop some on the ground, see if she wants it. Nope. Not hungry. Carol, there's lots of daddy ducks. Come here. There's lots of daddies over here. Look over here in the water. Right over here. Yeah. See if they want some. There's the ducklings too. Look at all those ducklings, Hope. Do they want it? And there's the mommy. See if she wants some?
Yeah, she wants some. This mine's as crazy.
Look over here, Hope. You're missing all the ducklings. You're so excited to see the babies. Look out there. You think they want some food? They're being crazy. There's some little ones over here too. Mommy's don't know how to swim. Oh, those want some. She says, thanks, Hope. The babies don't seem really happy. Look at all those ducks. Wow. What's that, Hope? Whoops. Ducklings, oh my goodness. Which ones? Yeah, but don't go too close. You can just throw them the food, okay? Don't get too close. That's close enough, honey. Hope, that's too close. Hope, that's too close.